Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create QR codes in Canva for free, and it will be a complete tutorial for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our Canva platform. So here we just need to be create an QR code custom size. So I will click over here and then I will choose a size of this 100 into 100 pixel. Once I come over here, I have a couple of websites here, so I will go to the Wix, and Wix have a website for me. So I will copy the link from the Wix. So let's say this one will be my Wix website link. So I will copy this one and I will see that it is available or visible in Incon. Yes, it is visible. So I'm going to create a QR code for that website. So that for reason I will go to the apps, and here I will search QR code generator, QR code, and you will eventually get an apps. So you just need to select this one, QR code, and here you just need to provide your URL. Once you provide it, you are able to generate your code, or you can change, like you can do the customize. You can change the background color, then foreground color, and also the margin. So I don't want to change anything. I will leave it this way and I will click on generate code. Once I click over here, now you can see eventually it already been generated. Once it will generate it, now you just need to be click to the download. And if you want to check that out, that is it really working or not, then you just need to go to here and QR code extractor, and come over that place and go to that website, and here you just need to be upload your image. Just click over that place and drag and drop, and I think this one is the QR code we have. And now here you can see that QR code link, and if you click over here on the link, it will be open that website. Now you can identify that it is really working. So in this way you can create QR code in Canva for your users. If you love this quick tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.